Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your life. If you are new here, please click our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to promote your YouTube videos using Google Ads. With marketing becoming more pay to win, you always have the choice to get more visibility through paid YouTube ads. You can use an existing video or creating something new for a specific campaign for your ad creatives. The benefit of using an existing video is you can select a clip you know has been influential in the past. If a video has already gotten many views and engagement organically, doing paid ads can amplify your results. How to run a YouTube video teasing campaign. Once you have created a marketing video you want to advertise on YouTube, it's time to begin in your YouTube ad campaign. Then upload your video to your YouTube. Campaign type. Select the drop-down menu on the right-hand side of the red campaign button on your Google Adwords homepage and choose videos. Campaign name. Input a name for your campaign and make sure video has been selected from the type drop-down menu. Budget. Choose your budget per day. You can also decide on a delivery method, either the standard delivery, which display ads evenly throughout the day, or accelerated delivery, which gets views as quickly possible. Networks. Decide whether you want your ad to be displayed. YouTube search. Your YouTube ad will show in search results and appear on YouTube homepage, video page and channel page. YouTube videos. This runs to view ads that can be seen in display ads or in stream ads. Location. Define the location of user to whom you want the ad to be shown. You can exclude specific location. Language, device and mobile bidding. You can specify the operating system, carrier and device for more advanced targeting. This is especially beneficial for mobile app ads. Advanced settings. In the advanced setting menu, you can choose to begin and end dates for your campaigns. Create your own schedule for when your videos and should be shown and limit users' daily impressions and views. Creating the video ad advertisement creative. Name your ad group and then add the YouTube link for the video you would like to run the ad for. You will also need to include a title and short description for in display, which are entered on two separate lines. Titles are maximum of 25 characters and the description lines are up to 35 characters each. Bidding. You will then select the maximum price you will pay for each view. Targeting. Finally, you can define the audience you would like the video to show, including gender, parental status, and age. Try running many campaigns to target different groups of users to understand who is most engaged rather than targeting everyone in one campaign. Advanced targeting. You can also define individual by keyword website topics where you would want your video ad to appear. Keyword targeting with the display ad can be a strong tool for finding individuals searching for the visual solution to a problem. Linking your account. You should link your AdWords account to the YouTube channel where the video is hosted if you have not already. Tips for optimization your AdWords for video ads. Starting a video ad campaign is a significant step, but there are some things you should set up before starting to spend for views to make the most of your budget and to get the highest return of your client. Define your metrics and goals. When analyzing data, there are four main categories of metrics you can analyze for each video. Number one, views. Under the views section, you can further understand what percentage of the ad people viewed and gauge how the ad drove on views or views on your brand's other videos. Audience. User can use this category to track likes and share for each video ad. Winding. The view rate should signal if the creativity and message are entertaining and interesting enough for people to watch the ad. Conversations. Conversation will help you further understand if you ad drive lead and return the high ROI for your brand. Your goal should also decide the kind of content you will show in the ad. Some metrics are useful for branding goals and others will drive lead and conversations. Now if I conclude, then video content is an integral aspect of your content strategy. This is even more true now that YouTube lets marketers target user base on their search histories. YouTube advertising is aimed more than ever, and it is less competitive than the world of Google search because visual content is newer to the content scene and less popular than blog posts. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.